Hey guys Cooper here. How you doing? Revenge of the Drones. This is an example video of exactly how I'm gonna grab a Google first page listing within minutes. Yeah, for this incredible $1 million list of the new drones for 2018. So I'm gonna have to expose one to you. So it's called the Shooting Star Drone Review. Okay, and I'm just gonna enter that right there. And as you can see, guys, on this, here's the first page of Google. Let's go all the way down to the bottom. There is a video on there. Intel Shooting Star Mini Drone Light Show. My keywords are slightly different. Now you can use different keywords, and you're going to be able to rank for these keywords using different keywords for the same video. As long as you change the video, put a slide in, a different slide on the front and the back, you'll be able to use the same video over and over again to rank for different keywords. Now what I'm going to do right now, guys, is I'm going to pause the video, and I will be back in just a second and show you how quickly I've grabbed it for Google first page. I'm back, yeah, and I've managed to rank it in less than 7 minutes. Let's have a look. Shooting Star Drone Review. I'm just going to press enter, and look at that, guys. #1 in Google, and you can read it right there. Yeah, Shooting Star Drone Review 2018. Yeah, 7 minutes ago, uploaded by me. Shooting Star Drone Review. The keywords I've used is Shooting Star Drone Review. I added 2018 just in case anybody adds it, but I ranked for Shooting Star Drone Review in #1 spot in 7 minutes. Yeah, because there's no competition for these drones, guys, and nobody knows about them yet, or very, very few people, especially not affiliates like us. Yeah, you can go out there and you can rank these videos over and over and over again using different keywords for the same video. All you've got to do is change the video very slightly so YouTube sees that it's a slightly different video, and you can rank the same video over and over again. This is a priceless list, guys. You can do this over and over and over again. Yeah, get them up now, because when these drones hit the stores, that's when you're going to start making a ton of commissions. Thanks for listening, guys. The proof is in the pudding. 7 minutes ago I uploaded that video. I'm at #1 in Google. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the inside.